Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salad dressing with paneer. Start by crumbling fresh paneer until it resembles coarse ricotta, then whisk with plain yogurt, olive oil, and lemon juice. Add chopped herbs, a pinch of salt, and black pepper to taste. Blend briefly for a creamy yet textured dressing. Adjust thickness with a splash of water or more oil, and chill before serving to let flavors meld. Gather fresh paneer, plain yogurt, extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, fresh herbs like cilantro or mint, garlic, salt, and black pepper. Crumble paneer finely and squeeze excess moisture from yogurt with a towel if needed. Toast cumin or mustard seeds for a nutty note, then cool. Measure roughly equal parts yogurt and crumbled paneer for a balanced texture. Keep ingredients cold until assembly to preserve freshness and brightness of flavors. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. I also want to mention a book that can change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, which is a clear, friendly guide to financial freedom and better planning. Check the description for the link and other deals. It's a small recommendation that pairs well with cooking budgets and smart shopping. Now let's get back to the video. Whisk yogurt, olive oil, and lemon juice vigorously to form a creamy emulsion before folding in crumbled paneer. Taste and correct salt, acidity, and heat with more lemon or a pinch of sugar if muted. Fold in herbs and minced garlic gently to keep texture, or blitz for a smooth dressing. For a richer version, add a spoon of mayonnaise or tahini. Store in an airtight container for up to 4 days.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.